Hello everyone friends, this is the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to download a purchased game from Epic Games. Let's say you came here and downloaded a game like Total War. It's free right now, so I'll download it and buy it. This is basically how it works. After purchase, you might have missed the View in Library button. I click View, go to the library, and here I have 3 games now. There are filters here to see all your games. I click Reset and type here. I bought Total War. Right? Now you can install and play it. Or if you don't remember the exact name of the game you bought, just search for it and you'll eventually find it. That's all. This has been Valor. Goodbye everyone.